Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to visit the Carrefour, and there I will show you the prices of the iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 14 Pro. All these iPhone prices I will show you there. This is the outside of the Carrefour. You can see here. It's very beautiful sceneries. You can see here. Huge eagle over there they have constructed, and here some swans they are flying. They look like very beautiful. Flocks of swans here. Beautiful fountain. We enter the Carrefour. Inside the Carrefour, you can see here, this is the vegetable section. Okay, I'm going over there. Come on, let's go there. I think here this lemon, 1 kg 3.75, can cost around like this. Here also. Here you can see the price apple Rosia 14.4. Here also apple Royal Gala 7. Okay, so here's the garlic here. I think garlic is here, I think 350. Sweet potato, and this white onion, this yellow onion, and the red onion. You can see here. You can see the cauliflower. Okay. Here you can see this is the strawberry, and here you can see this is the raspberry. See this? This is the one. It's a red one. Okay. Here. Yeah, this one you can see the clearly. Over here, this is the raspberry, and this is blueberry. This one is the blueberry, and this is blackberry. This one. Okay. This all are the berries. These are the red currants, something like that. Red currants. These all are the berries. This blueberry. This have containing more antioxidants. variety of fish you can see here. See, this is very beautiful. Here. And here cabbage green and cabbage pink. What is the cost of this one? I think 430. And this pumpkins. These are the capsicums. Variety of colors you can see here. It's very nice. To another section here, where the camera, laptop and electronics items I can see there. So I had to move over there. It's a very huge supermarket. Carrefour, you can see here. Very nice. Most of the things you will get it from here. Okay. Teapots. You can see some flask over here. This typical Arabic type of flask. This is steam iron. You can see here. See this from this picture. You can see by hanging the cord, and after that you can use this one. Okay, it's very easy to use. I think this section is all for that. I think this also is a very big one. We are using for that. Okay, and here some iron. These are some. Philips is there. Okay. These are the hair straightener, I think. Electric. So what is the price here? I think 29 grams. That will cost around 4,000 something rupees. Okay. So this is the battery brush. You can see this battery one. Section here. Okay, so I'm going to check Apple iPhones. You can see here, this is the Apple iPhone 14 plus 256 GB, 4,119 dirhams. And this iPhone 13 128, 3,099. Then next I think it is coming here. What is that? iPhone 30 Pro Max, 4,299. And here 13 Pro, 4,299. And here iPhone 13 Pro Max, 256 GB, 4,599. These are the price in UAE, in Carrefour. And here you can see iPhone 13 Pro, ITV Blue, that is 5,699. And iPhone 14 128 GB, 3,399. This Apple iPhone 14 plus 128 GB, 3,799. Okay, these are the price in Carrefour now.